Beneath the turquoise waters of Belize, there once was a graveyard, not of bones, but of coral. Once vibrant reefs, teeming with color and life, had turned ghostly white. The fish were gone. The sea turtles had vanished. The ocean was silent. But then, something extraordinary happened. A woman named Lisa Khan refused to accept that silence. After a devastating hurricane wiped out much of Belize's coral in 2001, she asked a simple question. What if we could bring them back? Everyone said it was impossible. But Lisa gathered fragments of broken coral, small, fragile pieces, and began planting them by hand, one by one. Days turned into months, months into years, and slowly, life began to return. Tiny fish found shelter in the new coral branches. Sea turtles started gliding through once empty waters. Even dolphins returned to play above the reefs that were thought to be dead. Today, that same reef, the laughing bird Cay Reef, is alive again, built from over 160,000 coral fragments, carefully restored by Lisa and her local team. What began as one woman's dream became a movement, empowering local communities, protecting marine life, and proving that even after destruction, nature can heal, if we give it a chance. The ocean may be vast, but it remembers kindness. This is not the story of what we lost. It's the story of what we can still save. Human influence, threats and conservation efforts. The vibrant underwater world that corals create is not only breathtaking, but vital to the health of our oceans. However, this delicate ecosystem faces unprecedented challenges, largely driven by human activity. Pollution, overfishing, coastal development, and especially climate change have placed immense stress on coral reefs across the globe. Rising sea temperatures cause coral bleaching, where corals expel the symbiotic algae they rely on for nutrients, often leading to mass die-offs. Ocean acidification, another consequence of increased atmospheric CO2, weakens coral skeletons, making it harder for them to grow and recover. Despite these threats, there is hope. Conservation efforts are gaining momentum worldwide, fueled by scientific research and community engagement. Marine protected areas have been established to safeguard critical reef habitats, reducing local stresses like overfishing and pollution. Innovative restoration projects are underway, including coral gardening and assisted evolution techniques, which aim to breed corals more resilient to warming waters. Public awareness campaigns and sustainable tourism initiatives are also helping to foster a deeper appreciation and responsibility toward these underwater treasures. Ultimately, the survival of corals hinges on a global commitment to reducing carbon emissions and protecting marine environments. By understanding our impact and actively participating in conservation, we can help ensure that these resilient corals continue their extraordinary journey beneath the waves for generations to come. Innovative restoration techniques for coral reefs. As the world's oceans face unprecedented challenges, from rising temperatures to acidification and pollution, the urgency to protect and restore coral reefs has never greater. Traditional methods of coral restoration, such as transplanting fragments from healthy reefs, have laid important groundwork, but the scale of damage demands more innovative and scalable solutions. Enter the new wave of restoration techniques that combine cutting-edge science with ecological insight to give corals a fighting chance. One promising approach is the use of coral gardens or nurseries, where young corals are grown in controlled environments before being carefully transplanted back onto degraded reefs. These nurseries accelerate growth rates and increase survival chances, allowing restoration efforts to be more efficient and impactful. Scientists are also experimenting with selective breeding and genetic intervention to cultivate coral strains that are more resilient to heat and acidity, potentially future-proofing reefs against climate change. Another groundbreaking technique involves 3D printing artificial reef structures that mimic the natural complexity of coral habitats. These structures provide a stable base for coral larvae to settle and grow, while also offering shelter to countless marine species. Moreover, advancements in microfragmentation, a process that breaks corals into tiny pieces to stimulate rapid growth, have revolutionized restoration timelines, enabling corals to regenerate much faster than previously possible. Beyond technology, community-driven initiatives play a crucial role in these innovative efforts. Local divers, scientists, and conservationists collaborate to monitor reef health, deploy restoration projects, and raise awareness about protecting these vital ecosystems. By combining innovation with community stewardship, the restoration of coral reefs becomes not only a scientific endeavor, but a shared mission to preserve the ocean's vibrant tapestry. In this era of rapid change, these innovative restoration techniques offer a beacon of hope, demonstrating that with creativity, commitment, and care, the whispers beneath the waves can grow louder once again. The role of communities and citizen science play a vital role in the ongoing efforts to understand and protect coral reefs amid the rapidly changing conditions of our oceans. Local communities, often the stewards of nearby reefs, bring invaluable knowledge about the subtle rhythms and shifts in their marine environments. Their intimate connection to the sea fosters a deep sense of responsibility and urgency in addressing threats such as bleaching, pollution, and habitat loss. Citizen science initiatives have empowered everyday individuals, from divers and snorkelers to students and coastal residents, to actively participate in monitoring coral health, documenting changes, and collecting data that would be impossible for scientists to gather alone. Projects like reef surveys, water quality testing, and photographic documentation not only expand the scope of research, but also raise awareness and strengthen the bond between people and the underwater world. Together, communities and citizen scientists create a powerful network of advocates and eyes beneath the waves. Their collective efforts enhance scientific understanding, influence conservation policies, and inspire global action to ensure that resilient corals continue their extraordinary journey in our changing oceans. This grassroots involvement is a beacon of hope, illustrating how collaborative stewardship can make a tangible difference for these vibrant ecosystems and the countless species that depend on them. What the coral's journey teaches us about ecosystem health. The remarkable journey of this resilient coral offers profound insights into the delicate balance of our ocean ecosystems and the broader health of our planet. Corals are often referred to as the rainforests of the sea because they provide shelter, food, and breeding grounds for an astonishing diversity of marine life. When a coral thrives despite challenges such as rising sea temperatures, ocean acidification, and pollution, it signals not only its own adaptability, but also the resilience of the entire ecosystem it supports. This coral's survival story underscores the importance of preserving the intricate connections within marine environments. Healthy corals help maintain water quality, protect coastlines from erosion, and support fisheries that millions of people depend on for food and livelihood. Conversely, when corals suffer or die, the ripple effects cascade through the ecosystem, leading to loss of biodiversity, weakened fish populations, and diminished natural protections against storms. Moreover, the coral's journey teaches us about the power of adaptation and the urgent need for proactive conservation. By studying how certain corals endure and recover, scientists can better understand which environmental conditions promote resilience and how human actions can either hinder or help these vital ecosystems. Ultimately, This story is a powerful reminder that the fate of corals is intertwined with our own. Protecting them means safeguarding the health of our oceans, and by extension, the health of our planet for generations to come. How to support coral conservation as individuals. Supporting coral conservation as individuals may seem like a small drop in the vast ocean, but every action counts in protecting these vibrant underwater ecosystems. One of the most impactful ways to help is by reducing your carbon footprint. Climate change is one of the biggest threats to coral reefs worldwide. Simple steps such as using energy-efficient appliances, minimizing car travel, and supporting renewable energy initiatives can collectively make a difference. Another vital action is to be a responsible ocean visitor. When snorkeling or diving, avoid touching or stepping on corals, and use reef-safe sunscreens that do not contain harmful chemicals like oxybenzone and octinoxate. These chemicals can cause coral bleaching and disrupt the delicate balance of reef ecosystems. Supporting organizations dedicated to coral research and restoration is also crucial. Many non-profits offer opportunities for donations, volunteering, or even participating in citizen science projects that monitor reef health. Additionally, spreading awareness, sharing knowledge about the importance of coral reefs with friends, family, and your community can inspire more people to take part in conservation efforts. By making mindful choices in our daily lives and advocating for healthier oceans, each of us can contribute to the survival and resilience of corals, ensuring that their whispers beneath the waves continue to echo for generations to come. Looking ahead, the future of coral reefs in a changing ocean. As we peer into the horizon, the future of coral reefs hangs in a delicate balance, shaped by the ever-evolving challenges of a changing ocean. Rising sea temperatures, ocean acidification, and human impacts continue to threaten these vibrant underwater ecosystems. Yet there remains a beacon of hope, grounded in science, innovation, and collective action. Researchers are exploring new frontiers, from cultivating heat-resistant coral strains to restoring damaged reefs through innovative transplantation techniques. Meanwhile, global efforts to reduce carbon emissions and protect marine habitats are gaining momentum, underscoring the critical role we all play in safeguarding these underwater treasures. The journey ahead demands resilience and adaptability, mirroring the very qualities that corals have exhibited for millions of years. By embracing sustainable practices and championing ocean conservation, we can help ensure that the whispers beneath the waves continue to tell their extraordinary story for generations to come. Conclusion: hope and action for the underwater world. As we reach the close of our exploration into the life of a resilient coral navigating the ever-changing ocean, it's clear that hope and action go hand in hand. The underwater world, with its vibrant colors and intricate ecosystems, faces unprecedented challenges, from rising temperatures and acidifying waters to the impacts of human activity. Yet, amidst these threats, stories of resilience inspire us. Corals adapting, reefs recovering, and communities rallying to protect these fragile habitats. Hope is not passive, it is a call to action. Scientists are pioneering restoration techniques, policymakers are crafting protections, and everyday people are making conscious choices to reduce their impact. Each step forward, no matter how small, contributes to a larger movement toward preserving the ocean's wonders for future generations. The journey of this resilient coral reminds us that survival is possible, but only if we unite in care and commitment. By embracing sustainable practices, supporting conservation efforts, and spreading awareness, we can help ensure that the whispers beneath the waves continue to tell their extraordinary stories, vivid, vibrant, and alive. The ocean's future is in our hands. Let us act with hope, urgency, and unwavering determination. The extraordinary journey of a resilient coral amidst the ever-changing ocean serves as a powerful reminder of nature's incredible ability to adapt and endure. As we've explored the challenges faced by these vibrant ecosystems, from rising temperatures to acidifying waters, it becomes clear that the fate of coral reefs is intricately tied to our own actions. By deepening our understanding and fostering a collective commitment to protecting these underwater wonders, we can help ensure that the whispers beneath the waves continue to tell stories of resilience, beauty, and hope for generations to come. Let this journey inspire us all to be stewards of the ocean, championing efforts that safeguard the delicate balance of marine life and the vibrant coral reefs that sustain it.